I'm Beth Allen, DIY expert, contractor, and designer. I'm working with the Carpet and Tile Mart to give a deserving family a new family room floor. After a year of living with a plywood subfloor, Tonia and her kids are ready for an upgrade. Why do I send all of my design clients to Carpet and Tile Mart? With 12 stores in the Delaware Valley, Carpet and Tile Mart is the best place for me to find the perfect floor for her. Okay, this place is huge.
I told you there was a lot of options.
Oh my word!
And this is just the opening part of the store.
Okay, I'm officially overwhelmed.
And we've got hardwood, laminate, tile, luxury vinyl planks, wall to wall, and you haven't even seen the area rugs.
Oh my word.
One particular product that I think would be perfect for this space considering kids and pet. So let's go check it out.
Can't wait.
Now I want to show you this really great product. These are called luxury vinyl tiles and planks. This is not your grandma's linoleum.
Not at all.
These are awesome because they are 100% waterproof. So they can literally be in a room under 2 inches of water, pulled up, let the subfloor dry, and put it right back down.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't that awesome? So this is going to stand up really well to kids and to pets, especially a pet that has a few accidents. There's one that I have picked out for you. It's super DIY friendly. It is something any woman could do on her own. And are you ready?
Yes, I'm dying.
See the one that I picked out for you?
Yes, I do.
The one that I picked out for you is this one.
Oh, that's gonna be beautiful.
It looks just like a real hardwood.
Oh my gosh, that texture is great too.
Isn't it gorgeous? The price point is so affordable at $269 a square foot.
Wow.
So it's just absolutely perfect, and it has a 30-year warranty.
Nice.
You and I will be in nursing homes, and this floor is still going to be going strong in that house. It's even scratch-proof, so you can take, a tool and make a scratch, and then literally it'll rub out, and it'll be gone.
That's amazing. And that's a lot smoother than, say like plywood. This is going to feel fantastic.
Than plywood, and it's not going to give you any splinters.
Yay!
Isn't that awesome? This floor is so flexible that it will go over your current subfloor. It'll go over tile too.
Oh, nice.
So you could eventually put this in your kitchen.
Ooh.
Yeah. So it's such a great product because it has that flexibility that you don't have to do a lot of prep on the subfloor, except make sure there's no nails, staples, and then we'll just dust and vacuum.
Nice.
So the floor will take 3 or 4 days to come in, which is perfect because it gives me a couple days to get together some really cool surprises, so be ready.
Sounds like fun.
Okay. The store is set up fairly easily. They've got a carpet section, they've got hardwoods, laminates, you know, vinyls, you name it. And the beautiful thing is they have everything at every price point. So you can go cheap if that's all you can afford. Maybe you're flipping a house and you want something, you know, simple and quick, or you can go total luxury. So it fits every budget.
Nice. So are you ready to go have some fun while we pick out the perfect flooring for you?
I'm always ready for fun.
All right, let's do this. We need to talk about how much flooring you're actually going to need. We've measured that you need about 375 square feet. So we always want to order a little bit extra, so we're going to order about 420 square feet.
Okay, sounds great.
Okay.
What about everything else that we're going to need? Like, do I need to have underlaying? Do I need more subfloor?
Nope. This floor is so awesome. And see how flexible it is?
That's pretty fun.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to show my kids that part.
They're going to have fun. This floor is so flexible that it will go over your current subfloor. It'll go over tile too.
Oh, nice.
So you could eventually put this in your kitchen.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Fun.
So it's such a great product because it has that flexibility that you don't have to do a lot of prep on the subfloor, except make sure there's no nails, staples, and then we'll just dust and vacuum.
Nice. Okay, I'm officially overwhelmed.
And we've got hardwood, laminate, tile, luxury vinyl planks, wall to wall, and you haven't even seen the area rugs.
Oh my word.